Hi, this is Buck from ISP Technologies. We're demoing today our newest algorithm that we have running in the Thetas, including the Theta DSP, the Theta X, the MicroSuite Theta Pro, MicroSuite version, as well as the MicroSuite MSX. And it will also be available in the beta-based DSP and the David Ellefson beta-based DSP. So what we've done, we filed last week a patent application on the new hum extractor. So everybody's familiar with the decimator. Decimator's gotten raves for years. We finally set our mind on solving the problem for 60 cycle and 50 cycle hum. So it will be in these products. It is pretty stunningly amazing in that it does not affect the tone, completely eliminates the hum. So what we're going to demo first, I'm going to turn off, we've got a really high gain preset here. So if I turn off the decimator, you'll see this is a dynamic operation. So we do have a threshold setting for the hum extraction now and the decimator threshold. So I'm going to bring the decimator threshold down so that it's not doing anything. And we're going to bring up the guitar, and you will hear at a lower gain, this is a very high gain preset. That is the amount of hum, crazy amounts of hum. If I turn on the hum extractor, there obviously is still the gain noise there, but no hum. Again, without it, on, no change in tone. So now I'm going to go to the neck pickup. By the way, I'm playing a 61 Strat here, so single coil all the way would be almost impossible to use in certain venues. But now, without the hum extractor on, so no change. Now I can bring up the decimator threshold so that we can get rid of the gain noise along with the hum. And now we have sort of the best of both worlds, just amazingly clear tone without any change of the instrument sound. Again, let's go back, turn everything off. Back on. So it is pretty stunning how well this operates. It allows you to set the threshold based on the amount of hum. There's a global setting in here. So if you get into an environment that's a lot louder for 60 cycle than you normally used to, you can go to the global settings and bring it up, and it'll do it across every preset by adding an extra 10 dB or whatever you need to get rid of that hum. But pretty impressive here. Now we're going to go to a slightly lower gain preset here. And with the lower gain preset, now we can kind of get down into more of the subtle nuances of the instrument itself. We got a little bit of effects going. I'm going to turn off the chorus on here. And if I go in here again, let's go back to the hum extractor. Turn it off. There's our on. So we have a pretty low threshold setting here. I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. And let's do that demo again. Go to the neck pickup again. Hum extractor on. Off. Back on. So we're very excited about this. It works for clean, works for low gain, works for high gain. And as you heard in the beginning of the demo here, we had just crazy amounts of hum, completely gone, and no change in the tone of the instrument. So this is the only place you'll be able to get that level of performance. I know I've fought that for years myself. I'm sure every other guitar player and bass player has. So we're pretty excited about what we've got to offer as this update for version 5 software. Thanks for taking a listen. We'll be back with some more demos shortly.